So I got something a little different for this week's video. Usually I'm posting videos trying to give you some information. This time around I'm actually asking for some help. I have a Shopfox 8-inch jointer. I was using it this weekend, and when I shut it off, the cutter head just kept spinning. And where are we here? There we go. When I took off the back and looked closely at the shaft of the motor, if we zoom in here, you can see that it has cracked. So I actually caught the moment the shaft failed. I was working on a small box this weekend. I was jointing one face of this cherry board and then jointing one edge. And after I shut off the machine, you can hear the cutter head continue to spin when it normally should be slowing down. So here we are with the motor removed from the machine, where we can see things a little better. If you pull off the drive pulley, as I said, it's in pretty good shape. But if you look at that shaft, it's quite munched. So again, my question for the machinists in the crowd is, can you weld something on there and clean that up and make it useful? Or is it just a buy a new motor situation? And what I don't like about the buy a new motor situation is Grizzly has them back ordered, and that will take 6 to 8 weeks, and that's a long time to live without a jointer if you're a woodworker. So if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them. Please leave a comment in the comments section. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.